Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, originally from the land of rising sun. I want to bring you, as I do always, the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. If this is the first time you are joining, you are watching my video, please like, subscribe, share, make your comments, share with your friends. Share with those who need the help learning to trade. The trade is not easy. There are people who are out there trying to make it in trading. So the knowledge I share here helps many people. So you can share with your friends. You don't be stingy, be generous, because it is free. You only pay money if you want to join my students. I have a learning course. You can join and pay little money. I teach you everything, how I do what I do. Having said this, let me also make a reminder again for scammers who will try to lure you into their scam site and scam you. Whenever anybody's try to say that so that the person is helping him or her to make money, to make $2 and so dollars, thousands, bitcoins within 1 week, within 1 month, they are scammers trying to scam you. So to make money in trading, you learn the art of learning how to analyze charts. So making money in trading is not easy, but it is possible. But you need knowledge. So to learn, you can learn from me or whoever you like that can teach you. Okay, so that's you need to learn. Not that easy as some scammers may promise. So let's go to the business of the day. So this is DXY. DXY, remember, I still believe that long time we will come back up. But for now, here we are. So let's analyze this very place. So let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours, from what I'm looking at here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is, this can say to be a wave A. Then if you get an A, B, C, it will be wave C. Then that will be a big wave B. Then wave C is coming down here. Maybe after this A, B, C, we will now get the price to up. So for now, let's focus on what happens here. Are we going to go down from here, or is this time to get us to ABC? In my opinion, we're going to get this ABC. A, B, C. So that's what I'm looking at. Meanwhile, possibility of going down here is there. So it's all forecast. Nobody's 100% sure what will happen, but from my experience, I'm expecting an ABC before selling it again. USD, the same thing, the same situation. That's the opposite. They go opposite direction. So no need of wasting time here. Rather than we're looking at another ABC before going up. So the going up is not finished. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get an ABC. Maybe the ABC can go deeper. It can go deeper, mind you. So, but we always target 61.8 figure, but it can go deeper before going up. So the next trade will be this trade. If this give us a perfect. If we give us a perfect structure like this, we can sell this and then buy this. But for now, the best thing is to allow this to drop. We look for best top from here. That's for USD. USDCAD. USDCAD. USDCAD, if you sold from here, as I advise you, you need to close your trade, because sometimes you will be looking for the structure to complete. They will not. Meanwhile, it has traveled more than 90% of the target. The target is from here to here, which is how many pips? The target is 590 pips or 600 pips, but it has given us 520 pips. So maybe, I don't know, it can still go down or it can go up from here. So going back to 4 hours. 4 hours, this is still selling. All this move, there's no buy set up yet, but it can keep dropping. I haven't seen a buy sign. All this is just pullback. So the pullback can continue. It can continue going down. So it's left for you to decide whether to close it or to move your stop to break even or take some partial profit. Okay, let's go to USDCHF. USDCHF. Remember, let's go to daily. This is my target on USDCHF. My target is a new low. That is the price to go below 0.881 or 0.882. So my target is a new low around 0.88 or 877. So, but now is dropping in a corrective manner. Okay, so I'm still, my bias is still to the downside. So for me, this is an ABC. So this can be A, B, C, W. Then this can be X. Then this can be Y. This can be X again. Then Z. That's WSYXZ. So for now, I haven't seen any reason to buy USDCHF. I only see a reason to sell. That's my own bias. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, what do we have? This is what I'm looking at. Let me show you daily. Remember, pounds USD is making a kind of any diagonal on daily. So we may get a very deep sell if the price breaks this zone. Let me show you what I mean. If price breaks this zone, we may get a very big sell. But for now, let's focus on what we happening on lower time frame, like 4 hours. 4 hours, I'm looking at a correction here and a drop towards 1.257, 1.2500 zone. So if you bought maybe from here or from here, you may consider closing your trade because the dropping may go as low as come to this very channel, the lower channel we saw on daily. So, but here is my target. Let's watch. If it will give us correction, then selling will be good idea. AUDUSD. AUDUSD. We have we are still selling. Last week I told you that the buying is almost over, that the selling will commence. So the selling have started. If you didn't sell from here, another selling will come. But this time, I think they're gonna make a bigger correction. Either it will start from here. The correction up can start from here and give us this, then we get this, or it can drop further and start from here and give us this, and then it will drop. So now, what are you going to trade? If you know how to trade ABC, let me get in. If you know how to trade ABC, then we can target to trade. If it give us the wave A, wave B, then we can trade the C. I don't know. I can't teach you that from here. All I can tell you is that and looking at a move up before selling. Meanwhile, this order D is with A, B, C. So the target is to sell this with C. Now with B, the with A might have ended here. It might have ended here, or it will drop further and end here. So whichever one, after the end of wave A, be patient, allow wave B to finish, then you say wave C. After that, we look for buy again. Okay, so that's my take on that. Using the USD. Using the USD, I'm on daily. I'm looking for the price to give me a move down to this zone. This is my target. Now, this very drop is a very big drop. It can end here and begin to go up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C, another move up. So these two scenarios is possible. Now, let me go back to 4 hours to make it clearer. On 4 hours, this can be with 1, with 2, then with 3, A, B, C, with 4 and 5, which will complete what I'm looking for. That's my first bias. My second bias is this. This can be an A, B, C, which we see the price begin to go up from here. Okay, so whichever one, we will know from what happens here, we will know what we are going to do. Okay, it's called for knowledge and patience to watch how market will react. Around here, we determine. Okay, JP225. JP225. Okay, daily, no need daily. I don't think. Okay, those 4 hours, JP225 have been going up. So now we are looking, this is an ABC with A, B, C. Okay, so that is what we are getting. So now, remember, we can have what is called double correction. Okay, meanwhile, before that, I'm expecting the price to go up and complete this wave 5. Then after this wave 5, we will have a bigger drop. We will get a bigger drop, maybe a kind of A, B, C. But let us watch what happens here. Now, meanwhile, we can still get what is called double zigzag. In that case, we may get a move like this, little A, B, C, and we get another A, B, C before buying this wave 5. It's possible, though I don't expect it to happen now, but it can happen. So you may be looking for this to go up and give us wave 5. It will delay, and wave 5 will wave 5 will come somewhere here after a prolonged correction. So bear that in mind, so that if it's going to happen, we're going to be perplexed. Okay, so let me remove all this for now. Let's leave what we are expecting is this. Okay, that's for JP225. Now, EURJPY. What do we have? Either the price will give us a little move higher and drop. The dropping will be corrective anyway. It will be corrective if it will drop. When it will drop, not if, but when. Or it may just, this wave 5 might have ended here. This wave 5 in yellow might have ended here. If it had ended here, then the price will just drop from here as wave A, wave B, and C. But if it will still go up, it would go up higher much. You just go up a little, then we get A, B, C. So that's what I'm expecting on EURJPY. USDJPY. What do we have? Similar thing. Either, okay, let me show you daily. Is making, I think I showed you this last week. This big ABC. I show you is yet to complete. And after that, a big sale is coming. So now the move is similar with EURJPY. Either it have completed and begin to drop from here, or it will drop a little, go up again, for giving us a big selling. Big selling is coming, but if you're not patient or skillful enough, you will miss it. Okay, so but if you're following me, join my Telegram channel. I used to share charts from time to time, and there, if you can remind me, you can say, sir, please, can you go back and check UMPs, EURJPY or USDJPY or PANJPY? I can do it if I have time, and if I see set up, I will drop it. That's how I do. So the link is under the description. And join my Telegram channel free. PANJPY. I think the same situation is what will happen. We will likely get a move higher before selling. So now, what is the central message about yen pays? The central message is that if you have any yen pays that you bought, consider closing taking profit, or at least take 70% of your profit and move the rest to break even, because we may get a sharp move towards the downside at any time. Okay, so I'm talking from experience. Okay, now let's go to gold. 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 Let me show you daily gold. Gold, last week I said that gold can give us a deep move. And some people think that I'm joking. Now, watch this trend line. There's 90% shot that gold will break it and go lower. So gold can go to 1820, 1800, or even 1780. So gold is still selling. Let's go back to 4 hours. You can see, you can see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you watch last video, I made an ABC, but it's that ABC, if it is ABC, it's supposed to end this somewhere here and give us something like this before dropping. But it keeps going down, which shows that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I changed the count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and in that case, this is wave A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, then A, B, C, running flat with B. Now, 2 things is what we are expecting. Gold will either continue to go down, break this lower channel, and fall deeper, or it can give us A, B, C again before going down. So now the question is, will gold continue to go down from here? Will gold continue to go down from here, or will it go up again? Now, my advice in this situation is this. Don't presume on gold going down from here. Allow it to give us sell setup around this place. I don't know how to teach you sell setup. There was time I explained it on my video, but some things are there for the students. Okay, so if you're my students, go to students channel to ask for sell setup if you don't know it, or remind me to show you again. So if set up does not occur here, it will occur somewhere here. It may be here or here, but gold is going down. Gold is still going down. I don't see gold giving sharp move up for now. It can happen, but it's just 90/10. Okay, so silver was clearer than gold. Last week I told that silver is going to drop further and further. So I don't know, no need to explain again. Silver is going lower like gold. And I think I said it last week that silver will likely go to this channel. It can even break the channel. But after this drop, we might get a correction before dropping again. So silver and gold, platinum, it's not time to buy them. That's my own view on them. If you have a bias of buying, fine. But myself, from here, I said it will continue to sell, and it's still selling. Platinum, let me show you daily again. Platinum have broken the channel. I said we watch. They have broken it, and now platinum is making what we call it will make expanding flat. Okay, it's a pass running flat. So platinum is making expanding flat. How deep will it go? I don't know. So if you are trading platinum, you can look for setup. The selling is not yet over, but buying is not now. I don't know how I'll help you further. Don't know how I'll help you further. Maybe if you can do something like this towards this level, then you can sell from here. If it gives us a sharp move, then watch out for something like this. Then it can also sell from here again. So platinum, gold, silver, they are still selling. They are still selling. Okay, let's continue. US oil. US oil, what do you have on oil? On oil, we have two buyers. Remember last time I said that oil will likely give us A, B, C, D, E. Then as wave B, then wave C. Now, three things, or let me say two things is happening. This wave C is supposed to be an impulse wave, but it is making a slow move up. Now, that's what we call leading diagonal. So this can be leading diagonals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that is the case, then this is wave 1, this is wave 2. Then we get 3, 4, 5 before selling again. Second bias is that this expanded triangle will be overruled. Then it will be an A, B, C, then W. This is X, then A, B, C, and we get Y. If that is the case, then oil will begin to drop again. We're just going up from here. So that's why I'm showing you all these things. Or it can even be, it can even go deeper than 62, 63. In that case, this wave X will be here, which is A, B, C, as contracting flat, running flat. Then if that's the case, then wave Y will go deeper. But for now, let me go with two ideas. The two ideas of either this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it is WXY. So whichever one. What are we going to do about that? Now, if price keeps going down, leave it and watch how it will react around 63, around 64.5 to 62.6. To know whether it will give us a buy setup from here, we buy from here. Then if it keeps going up, then you look for buy setup, which I can't explain to you how to pinpoint it now. Okay, that's for oil. NASDAQ. US 100. US 100 daily. Okay, we are looking for sell. We are looking for ABC. Now the question is, this wave Y, has it completed or will it go further up? I don't know. But I can tell you, if you bought from here, if you bought this wave 4, close it, because it might have ended, or it can still go a little higher. Okay, but for now, no setup yet, either buy or sell. That's all I have for US 100. S&P 500. S&P 500, what do we have there? Same situation, or let's say similar situation. All this move, it's have hit our 100% target. Remember, I said it is buying. So now, what are we looking for? Either it's drop from here down here, or it will drop here, go up again before dropping. Why am I saying so? This with X might not have finished. And so how price starts when market opens, we tell us whether we are going to get deeper move or shallow move before going up again. If the price doesn't turn around here and go up, then we will likely get this big drop right from here. That's for S&P 500. US starting. US starting. What do we have there? We have the same situation. We are going to get an ABC. This is clearer that we are getting an ABC. So now the question is, remember, daily is showing us we have a reason to go much higher. From what we are seeing on daily, we will likely get the price to this level, 35.467, 36096, or even 3700. So for now, how do we join the buying? It's simple, or maybe just watch out at over 4. If you get a nice correction around here, ABC, you look for best top around here and buy. Okay, that's my take on that. And then I will not have time to. I won't have time to make another video today. So let me add some coins on that. So let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, remember last week, and not even last week, I keep saying that Bitcoin have started the impulse move up. Then last week I said that we may not even get price lower to this place. That's now it made a truncation, and I said Bitcoin will begin to buy. Now buy will be confirmed when it goes above wave X. Now it is confirmed that this is our wave X. Sorry, our wave Y. This one I removed it, no longer valid. So this one, it didn't come lower. This one is now our buy. So now Bitcoin is buying. There are no two ways about it. How do you join the buying? Okay, let me go to 4 hours. So this one, it didn't give us. Okay, now to cut the long story short, watch out for something like this to happen on Bitcoin. Let me show you from here to here. Watch out for price to drop to this zone. That is how we trade on web analysis. We are looking out for something like this. before we now buy. We don't jump in anyhow. We don't we don't jump, we don't trade with fear of missing out. No. So if you get a nice correction, ABC, then we can join the buying. If it drops further to this level, fine. If it doesn't drop, then fine. So you can say, hey, that Bitcoin is going to 80,000. Sure, it's going to 80,000, but how will it go to 80,000? Straight line? No. You can buy from here out of fear of missing the whole move, and it can drop as low as to this zone. Then you're going to be confused. So that's why I will advise you to allow it to give us a nice correction before buying. That's advice. That's how I trade. I don't jump in. I don't jump out. I trade with plan. And my plan on Bitcoin is that I'm looking for an ABC. Let me label it. If I get an ABC, A, B, C, it can even make a double correction. It can even make another, it can give us ABC, a little one, and make another A, B, C. Then it becomes WXY. So the possibility of it making double correction is there. So if you see Bitcoin going down to 26,000 again, don't be surprised. That's what we call double correction. For instance, let me just give you some little lesson. For instance, what's happened here can repeat itself. You see Bitcoin delaying, and end up coming down to 7,000 or even lower. So let me leave this in here. Let me leave it. So Bitcoin is either it's come back to 28,300 zone and go up and continue going up, or it can go to this zone and drop again. Okay, I don't know, but let me leave this. So this will be my target for Bitcoin to begin to go up. This zone. Okay, so no need showing you. This video is long already. So Ethereum, Litecoin, they're all going up. Once Bitcoin is going up, all the coins will be going up. So no need of going down to Ethereum, SRP. They are going. SRP is not even going up. Wow. Now, wow. BNB. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum is going up. Why? What's happening? I didn't even check. Other coins seems to be where they are. What's happened? Wow. Wow. Litecoin is also going up. Some coins are going, some are not going. Why? Anyway, once Bitcoin is going up, those who are liking will still peak. BNB will still peak. Now, wow, why is BNB not going up? Okay, from what I'm looking at, expect a drop on BNB, but the drop will not be much. Maybe somewhere 200, 209. Okay. Then SRP also expect drop because it didn't go higher like others. Maybe a drop, something like coming down to this zone again. Okay, so that's all I can take. That's all we can take on this week's analysis. Litecoin is going up, so Litecoin expect a drop around this zone, 82, 84, 82, or even 80, and continue to buy. Okay, that's all we have to say on today's analysis. Remember, like, share, drop your comments, join our Telegram channel. If you're looking for Prof Firm to join, I have a link with some of them, those that I trust. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.